Question number 2, page number 173. Anjali and Nitya are partners of a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Premila on 1/1/2018. On that date, their balance sheet showed accumulated loss of rupees 40,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. Give the journal entry to transfer the accumulated loss on admission. Okay. Now you see it is showing that profit and loss is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Asset side of the balance sheet means, what does it mean? It is loss. Okay. So this loss also should be transferred to the old partners in their old ratio. Okay. So what is the journal? Question number 2. Question number 2. See the sum and put the date. 2018 January 1st. So here we have to transfer the loss to the old partners. So since it is loss, the partners capital account should be debited. Okay. Anjali's capital account data, Nitya's capital account data to its loss, profit and loss account. Okay. Loss transferred to old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So how much is the profit and loss? Profit and loss is 40,000. Ratio is 5:3. 5:3 means 5/8. 40,000 into 3/8. So that will give 40,000 into 5/8. Here you will get 25,000. Here you will get 15,000. So the total is 40,000. Since it is loss, it is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Asset side of the balance sheet means it is understood it is loss. Okay. Loss means partners capital account should be debited. Okay. To profit and loss account. So this is the journal for loss. Suppose if it is profit means it will be the reverse. Partners capital account will be credited. Okay. Next we will move to question number 3. Watch the screen. I will read the question. Ovia and Kavya are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Agalya into the partnership. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is as follows. A balance sheet is given, capital is given of Ovia and Kavya, 50,000, 40,000, total 90,000. Profit and loss appropriation account 40,000, general reserve 8,000, workman's compensation fund 12,000, Sandhi creditors 20,000. Assets also is given, few assets are given there, buildings, plant, furniture, data, stock, cash. Okay. Now what you have to do? Pass journal entry to transfer the accumulated profits and reserve on admission. Okay. Now the old balance sheet is given. Now you are going to admit a new partner. When you are going to admit a new partner, what is the first step? What is the first adjustment you have to do? You have to distribute all the reserves, profits and losses. And if there is any word is given as reserve fund, workman compensation fund, the word fund is given, means that also should be transferred to the old partners capital account in their old ratio. Now you see the liability side. Asset side we don't need now. We don't have anything there. We have everything only on the liability side. We have profit and loss, we have general reserve, and also we have workman compensation fund. So these three has to be transferred to the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So what is the journal for that? Put the date 2019, 31st March. So first is profit and loss, profit and loss appropriation account data. Next, general reserve account data, workmen's compensation fund account data. So all these three are given on the liability side. So you have to debit it to the particular old partners capital account. So who are the old partners here? Ovia. Ovia's capital account to Kavia's capital account. 40,000, 8,000 and 12,000. So total 48 and 12. So if you add all this, you are getting 60,000. Okay. So first write the narration. Accumulated reserves and profits are transferred to old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So, okay. So now add all this, you will be getting 60,000. This 60,000, what is the old ratio? Yes, see the question, the old ratio is 5:3. So that 60,000 into 5/8, 60,000 into 3/8. So that you divide and find out what is the ratio and write it here. So for Ovia it is 37,500 and for Kavya it is 22,500. So total 60,000. Okay, understood children? So what I have done here, I have taken the profit and loss. Here the profit and loss is given on the liability side. If it is given on the liability side, means it is profit. Okay, so the partner's capital should be credited. And reserve was also there. Workmen compensation fund is there. Any word fund is given, that also should be transferred to the partner's capital account. So it should be credited to the partner's capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. So total you are getting 60,000. Ratio is given as 5:3. So 5/8, 3/8, that will give you this one, this amount you will get. Is it clear children? Hope you understood. So this is how you have to distribute the accumulated reserves, profits and losses. Thank you.